What is your name, please? May I have your name?
You're creating a lot of buzz. By the way, new Meadowbrook uniforms next year, kids. Get ready.
I hope you're pleased with yourself. We all could have been killed, or worse, expelled. Now, if you don't mind, I'm going to bed.
The League refused to reattach me to my mom until we got the augmenter gun back. And you stole it. I speak for the trees. I speak for the trees, for the trees have no tongues. And I'm asking you, sir, at the top of my lungs, what is that thing you've made out of my truffle tuft?
We're gonna hit this on 3. 1, 2, 3.
I can't think of what to say, so I ask questions. Any question I can think of. What does please mean? Why do we have armpits? How do they make plastic?
All right, let's give a listen to character number 5.
I have spastic bilateral quadriplegia, otherwise known as cerebral palsy. It limits my body but not my mind.
Who is this character limited in body but not in mind?
Hey, I'm a Poseidon kid. I can drown, neither can my pancakes. Iggity, ziggity, zaggity, zoo. Then out rose a truly magnificent broom.
The whispering voices got louder, more instant. My mind fought against them. I resisted the urge to run towards that dark ramp. I was invisible because of the Thala ruin. The ruin of repairs. My ears are too big for my head. My head is too big for my body. I'm not a Siamese cat. I'm a Chihuahua.
I think we might have to go with Junior and Senior K on this one on 3. 1, 2, 3.
When I became a 12, I was selected as you were. I was frightened, as I'm sure you are. If you want to punish me, Father, be my guest, but have the courage to hurt me good, not my moral companion. Be a man. Revenge! Revenge! The king under the mountain is dead, and wail his kin that Deo seek revenge. Gion, lord of Jael, is dead, and I've eaten his people like a wolf among sheep. Will his son from Jael approach me? I can will I wish, and none dare resist. I make no warriors the void, and the light is not in the world's gift. Then I was but young. Now I know strong, strong, strong. Deep in the shadows.
You wouldn't want to leave me, would you, Lipsy? You wouldn't want to leave Clickitat Street, would you? It leads to the statue, doesn't it? It leads to the statue.
One more time, character.
It leads to a statue, doesn't it? It leads to the statue. A while ago, I realized that maybe I'm not the only one who has to go through hard stuff. I think everyone does. It's just different versions of hard stuff. Rifo can go, but I cannot swim. I cannot go in the pond with him. I will not be able to protect him.
Promise you won't forget about me ever, not even when I'm 100.
Guys, Archimedes constructed spheres. The Romans couldn't figure them out. They thought they were foretelling time or following constellations because they were coming from the That's like fighting a rifle and thinking you can want it.
We will have a guest, but we have to listen first to what this character has to say. People are very excited by this. By the way, when Mom and Dad say it's time to go to the orthodontist, you should listen.
My favorite food. You'll taste good on a slice of bread. I hear a hiss in the grass ahead. Help me. My life is ruined. My heart is broken. Help me. I am a city child. There is a lobby which is enormously large, with marble pillars and ladies in it, and a revolving door with PP on it.
Dear Ram, you who are so proud and beautiful and come always first among your fellows, why do you now come last of all? Is it that you are slow with sorrow for your master, whom nobody is blinded so that you cannot see or see me anymore?
I dreamed that I was racing from town to
the town while carrying your revolutionary hero, Paul Revere.
Bad Polyphemus. Not all Cyclopes as nice as we look.
I've dealt with girls like you my entire life. You want everything because nothing will make you happy. You're not an all-powerful hero by any chance. You're just a brat. No matter what you call
I wonder who fixed up this room. Wouldn't it be pretty with violets on the wallpaper? I would love to live in this room.
One more time, character. Shout it
I
out.
wonder who fixed up this room. Wouldn't it be pretty with violets on the wallpaper? I would love to live in this room.
I'm a Firehawk. The Emberstone belongs with me.
One more time, character. Yell it out there.
I'm a Firehawk. The Emberstone belongs with me.
Former Attorney General Jeff Sessions, how you doing? Prospects? It's sad, isn't it?
You killed the dragon. Fate decided that you would taste his blood. You put my father's soul to rest. You saved me from that deed. It may cost you.
People call me the Freeway Gorilla. The 8-bit activate. Mighty Silverback.
Once you feel the power in your paws, I'm sure that your evil side will rise to the surface.
You were in the midst of our traditional survival and combat skills assessment exam at the CIA's Academy of Espionage. Our weapons are only paintball guns, and the battlefield was a mock-up of the Academy firing range, but it felt real enough.
I have not moved away from my desk, Miss Trunchbull. I can say no more.
I'm going to take this one on 3. 1, 2, 3. Tilda.